Good morning, everyone. Today, we're starting the day off right with some heart-healthy breakfast recipes that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Whether you're looking to kickstart your morning or fuel your busy day ahead, these recipes are sure to satisfy your taste buds and support your heart health goals. Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that eating well shouldn't mean sacrificing flavor. In this video, we'll be showcasing a variety of breakfast options packed with nutrients to nourish your body and promote heart health. So, grab your apron and get ready to whip up some wholesome goodness. First up, we have a delicious berry oatmeal bowl, a hearty combination of oats, fresh berries, and nutritious toppings. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and support heart health. Plus, the antioxidants in berries add a burst of flavor and protect your heart from oxidative stress. Next on the menu, we're serving up avocado toast with smoked salmon, a savory delight that's packed with heart-healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocado provides a creamy texture and essential nutrients like potassium and fiber, while smoked salmon delivers a dose of protein and omega-3s to keep your heart strong and healthy. Moving on to a classic favorite, we have the Greek Yogurt Parfait, a refreshing and satisfying option loaded with probiotics, calcium, and antioxidants. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of nutrients that support gut health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Paired with crunchy granola and sweet fruits, it's a winning combination for a heart-healthy breakfast. No breakfast spread is complete without a veggie omelette, a protein-packed dish brimming with colorful vegetables and essential nutrients. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and contain heart-healthy nutrients like choline and lutein. Load up your omelet with spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions for a flavorful and nutritious start to your day. Last but certainly not least, we're indulging in whole grain pancakes with Fruit Compote, a wholesome twist on a breakfast classic that's sure to delight your taste buds. Whole grains provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that promote heart health and aid in digestion. Top your pancakes with a homemade fruit compote for natural sweetness and an extra boost of antioxidants. And there you have it, 5 heart-healthy breakfast recipes to kickstart your day with love and nourishment. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely morning at home or fueling up for a busy day ahead, these recipes are a delicious way to support your heart health goals. So why wait? Head to the kitchen and start cooking up some goodness. If you enjoyed these recipes and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can inspire healthier choices and happier hearts, one delicious meal at a time. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay heart healthy and keep spreading the love through good food.